Hey guys, my name's Narab. I'm from Open Enclosure. Today we're here at the Home Show exhibiting this beautiful product. So let me take you guys through. So how it works, this is a frameless bifolding system. So this one here all opens up and stacks to the one side. So there's a lot of flexibility with the product. It is all custom made to your opening size. So this one here all stacks up and opens to the left hand side, as you can see. So all the panels slide along and they stack at the far end. We can even have the panel stacking at the right hand side, and you can have a double opening section. You can even go up to 20 meters in length, which looks pretty remarkable. The benefit being of the whole system is that you have unimpeded views, and even when it's open, you can enjoy the space just as it was before. In the fully open position, all the panels here are all stacked up and they take up hardly any room, which is the big benefit of the system. Closing it is easy and simple. All the panels simply slide across, going all the way to the far end here. The next panel comes across, achieving a nice tight weatherproof seal. As you'll see here, when the panel comes together, we achieve this great seal between the glass, and it's completely weather tight. Our system is also completely lockable. Once the system is locked, all the glass compresses together and it becomes fully weather tight, and we achieve ratings of 250 k's wind speed, allowing absolutely no water or air infiltration. In this system here, we're using a 10mm toughened glass, which is quite strong. With openings up to about 2.7 or above, we can also use a 12mm glass. Here's that locking side I was telling you about. So with the system all locked, you'll find that it all compresses together and it's all fully secure. We can also put a keyed lock in this just to make it that extra bit safe. So another option we've got here is this servery window. Once again, very similar sort of thing. We've got our locking end here and the whole window opens up. It all stacks across to the side. In this one here, we've got a nice recessed track, so it's nice and seamless with outside. You can use this for kitchen serveries. You can even just use this as a high window. Once again, providing the strength and the outlook as the other window you saw before. If you'd like some more information, guys, you're more than welcome to pop down to the Home Show and visit us, or you can check out our website, openenclosure.com.au. Thanks, guys.